Hello my people, welcome to my channel TNT Connect UG. I'm so welcome to show you where I am in the village of Nachiluvi. This is where I am now. We came to do some work, so we are here with my sister. She's there. I think you can see her filming. Yeah, I know you would love to see where I am now. This is the village. Come and see. Come and watch this video together and see where I am now. Sometimes I take so long to vlog. Always I'm in the kitchen showing you what I'm doing. Yeah, this is the gate. This is the fence where I live. That is the first gate. We have two houses where I'm living. So that is the first gate. This is the outside part of the home where I am. You can see. Come and tour with me. This is the gate. The second one. This is where I sleep. You can see. We call it a red house. It's so beautiful. We are going to continue with it inside. So beautiful. Beautiful village. Beautiful people. Beautiful neighbors. Come and travel with me. Come and tour with me on this beautiful village. See, that is George. Our gatekeeper is a very good man. Hello, George.
Hi.
Say hi to my people.
Hello.
Yeah, my people, this is what we call banana plantation. Banana plantation, that is cassava. This is dry maize. You can see here. This is our neighbors. This is our neighbors' plantation. Those are the bananas. I'm not seeing any banana, but I'm sure we are going to see. One of them is here. It's still very young. It has just come out. I think you can see. It's there. Very tiny. This is our neighbor's plantation. You can see. They have even chicken. It's there with the chicks. This is where we stop. This is the hedge. This is our boundary. See how beautiful it is. It has even flowers. How many of you have village houses where you can get some time and have your time to rest, to do your village work, go farming, do all stuffs which you do in the village? You see, you visit your neighbors. This is the village I'm talking about. You can think it is like in Kampala, but it is so beautiful down here in the village. You can see we have even a tank. Everything you would think of is there. Just come and visit. You will enjoy this village. It's so good. So good. That is the house. One of them is there. Yes. Very beautiful. That is the wooden gate which comes to the institute, where I'm the principal of the institute. Those are the children of our organization. They have activities every day. They are there going back home. These are our neighbors. They have everything in the village. This is coffee. Those who have never seen coffee plantation, that is coffee. That is mango. We have mangoes here, a lot of them. And we have jackfruit. Jackfruit is there in our compound, is there. This is matoke. Matoke, you can see matoke. We have matoke here. That is cassava. Cassava. You can see what is going on in our neighbors' plantation garden. These are the coffee. Look at everything. Everything is so good. They have everything you can think of. Those are the neighbors. You can see what is taking place in our neighbors' compound and garden. Here is our dry maize. We have come to remove it from the garden. That's what we have come to do. Here I'm removing one. See, it is here. Are you sure? Yes?
George and who?
And MJ.
Yeah, we prepare this. George and MJ will be preparing this. Ngatokola kisimu sangu. Ile George kasoli wafe mbade mu mulesi.
Yeah.
Mwagala muonoona.
Nimiroteri yako, my dear. This is our what? Our harvest. You're spoiling our harvest. George, you're spoiling our harvest. I think we have a lot here. Yeah. Seven, no, we had a lot. We had a lot. We ate most of it.